Welcome to the Tool Connection and the Tech Centre. My name is Ryan and today we'll be demonstrating the Powertech Hot Stapler Repair System. With the high replacement costs of plastic body panels and headlamp units, repairers are being encouraged to repair these components rather than simply replacing them. With the Powertech Hot Stapler Plastic Repair System, robust and flexible repairs can be carried out in seconds with no material build-up. There is no need to throw away a perfectly good headlamp unit just because the mounting lugs have broken off. Choose the correct heat setting to suit the job in hand. If the setting is too cool, the plastic will not melt properly, but if the setting is too hot, the plastic can burn. If the plastic burns, it results in a brittle material and a weak repair. You will need to consider the thickness of plastic being repaired and the thickness of staple being used. A stainless steel staple is chosen of the correct profile to suit the repair and fitted to the staple applicator. The power button on the side of the applicator is pressed and held for approximately 10 seconds to heat up the staple. Press the staple gently against the plastic to be repaired. Push the staple until it's about halfway through the material, then twist slightly. Release the power button and hold the staple on the repair until the plastic has cooled and the staple feels firm. Remove the staple applicator and then cut off the ends with a pair of side cutters. The repair can be smoothed over using the applicator with a V-shaped staple. The pins of the staples can be reprofiled to make access easier or to suit the part to be repaired. Use additional staples to reinforce the repair. The finished repair is both strong and flexible. Strength is achieved in the direction that is required, but the lug remains flexible for fitting requirements. Often the location holes for the bumper mounting lugs get damaged when it's removed. Gluing is not strong enough for this sort of repair. One small staple and a few seconds work can save a bumper worth hundreds of pounds.